How to know if Google Photos are backed up? Firstly, you have to open the Google Photos app. Now at the right top corner, you can see there is an ID. Click on it. Now before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Now you can see here there is an option of backup complete. Click on it. In this way, the video that will be backed up in your phone will appear here. Your backup is complete. 4 photos and videos backup to Google Photos. Click back and you can also see here your all the photos in this bar. Here we have no items. If you back up any videos, that will appear in here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.